Assalamualaikum and welcome to my channel Tech Info, and I am Wasif Mumtaz, and I am making this video for my friend and also you people. I think lot of people facing many problems in YouTube SEO because I think all of the people just focus on page optimization, and they forget to tell you that how you can do your off page optimization. So I am here for you to tell you that how you can do your off page optimization in your videos. So here it is the video that I am going to upload in my YouTube. So I will tell you that how you can export your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, I have written this all, my description and my tags and my the title of the video here. So I will copy just the title of my video. Look at that. I copy the title of the video. Now you have to right click on that and go to properties, and when you are going to property you have to put the title here. You can see that my title is here. I will click OK. Then again you have to click on properties and you have to go to the details. I mentioned that details. When you go to the detail, just paste the title. I paste the title here, and if you have any subtitle of your video, then you can easily paste the subtitle here, but I do not have any subtitle, so I will paste the title again, and I will give this video a 5-star rating. And here is the tag section. Look at that. My Here is the tag section. In tag section there you can see that my all of my video tags. So I will copy these tags and go back to my properties, and I will paste that tag in this here, and I will click enter. Now comments. This is the hacking thing that you want to learn. Basically, when you go to any website, for example you are on the Google, and you can check that view page source. Here you can find h1 tags. Here you can find the h1 tags. Google only understand h1 tags, so you have to wait a while. I also written that wait a while. You can also see that Google understand only this. YouTube also only understand this. So this is the hacking thing you have to do in this type. So you have to go to the properties, and I will tell you that how you can properly use this. So here in h1 tags you have to paste the title of your video that look at that. I paste the title, sorry. So I have to copy the title of the video. Look at that. This is the title of my video, and I have already copied that title. So here in my h1 tag I will paste the title of my video, and here you can see meta name, keywords, content. So I will put all my keywords here. You can check that. And now I will copy my all my tags. Look at that. I copied all the tags. Now I will paste these tags on there. So now you see that meta name, description, and you in description you have to paste the title of your video. I think this will really helps you a lot to rank your videos in YouTube. So I will paste that here and I will copy this all, copy and paste all that in comments and press enter. Now you can see that my video lengths and everything, and in bottom you have contributing as artist. So here I will write my name, Wasif Mumtaz. So in year 2000, here it is 2020, and here you have to paste all the tags of your video. So I will copy my tags again, copy, sorry I forget that there are, these are already copied. So I will press enter. So now directors, so I am the director, so I will write my name. In producer column, I am also the producer of this video. Writer, I am also the writer of this video. And publisher, here you have to put your channel name. In my case, my channel name is Tech Info, and content provider is also channel name. So you have to write your channel name here, encoded by this. If you have any website and you want if you have any website, then you have to put the website URL here, but it is not mandatory. So in rating you have to give it 10, and here composer, your channel name Tech Info, conductor also Tech Info, and you do not have to change these type of settings. So I hope you understand all that setting. Now you can click on apply and OK. Now I will check my settings. So look at that, go to properties again, and now you can check my all the details of my video. Look at that. I hope you understand that video. One thing that I forget here is that in conductor I have to change my name. So Tech Info, sorry, and you have to apply and OK. And now I have done with my YouTube off page optimization.